Binary is the system we humans use to represent values inside a computer. Binary is a number system where there are two values for each digit, 0 or 1. This is because computers are actually just complex circuits, and electric current can only be described as on or off. Instead of creating a way to represent numbers 0 through 9, the founders of the electrical computer decided that they would represent on or off. If you're into math, binary can best be described as base 2. Instead of calling each place a digit, computer scientists use the term bit, which is short for binary digit. Since it's base 2, each bit can have a value of 0 or 1. A collection of 8 bits is called a byte. If you express binary in zeros and ones, it looks a little bit weird. In standard numbers that you're used to, each digit is an exponent of 10. The ones place is 10 to the 0, the tens place is 10 to the 1, and the hundreds place is 10 to the 2. Instead of using exponents of 10, binary uses exponents of 2. So it goes the ones place, the twos place, and the fours place. Since computers are using binary, we need a system to represent letters and other characters. To solve this problem, the ASCII chart was created. ASCII maps a particular numerical value to a letter or character. However, ASCII could not represent enough characters, so a new system called Unicode was created. Unicode is a superset of ASCII, meaning that it stores all the same values plus more. If you checked out my previous videos, you'll know that I'm recording in various ways. So if you enjoyed this style, please leave a comment below.